Hi, this is Wesley Dotson down here at Central Kentucky Classic Cars, and man, do I got a good one for you. I got a 1969 Chevrolet Camaro SS. What a beautiful car this is right here, finished in the Fathom Green with white interior. It's got a 350 power steering, power disc brakes, and factory air conditioning. If you have any questions on this car, you can give us a call at 859-621-5572. Go on our website at centralkentuckyclassiccars.com. We do offer shipping and financing is available on any vehicle that we have for sale. But we're going to take a look at this 1969 Chevrolet Camaro SS. What a beautiful car this is right here. Like I said, finished in that Fathom Green with white interior. Absolutely gorgeous car right here. Really, really looks good. Paint and body work on this car is in excellent condition. This really looks good. Just a pretty much all original car. And we're going to take a look at it here. Interior, it's finished with a beautiful white parchment interior. It's got the grab handle there, all the wood grain accents in the interior. Love that. It really, really looks good. Headliner's in great shape. Dome light works. All the doors are in excellent shape. Really look good. So shut the door here. We'll take a look inside the trunk. Inside the trunk's finished with a beautiful splatter paint, spare tire and jack equipment. Really looks good. It's got the trunk stickers. So I'm going to shut the trunk here. We're going to start it up and see how it sounds. Has a great sound to it. I'm going to cut it off here. Take a look at the driver's side of the interior. All in excellent condition. Really, really looks good. Nice and clean. It's got rear speakers in it as well. In the back there. All the headliner. It's in great shape. I'll show you the dash here. Really looks good. All the wood grain on the console. Original style radio. Factory air conditioner all works. All been updated. Door shut easy. Really looks good. Take a look underneath the hood here. Like I said, it is a 350. Power steering, power disc brakes, and factory air conditioning on this car. The motor is a 1969 350. Can't prove that its numbers matching, but it is a 1969 350. It is an X11 car. I'll let you take a picture of that. So, X11 car, 1969 date correct 350, power steering, power disc brakes, vintage air. We're going to shut the hood here. Take one more quick look at the 1969 Chevrolet Camaro SS. If you have any questions on this car, you can give us a call at 859-621-5572. Go on our website at centralkentuckyclassiccars.com. We do offer shipping and financing is available on any vehicle that we have for sale. But we're going to take this 1969 Chevrolet Camaro SS for a test drive and see how it does. All right, we're going to take this 1969 Chevrolet Camaro SS for a test drive and see how it does. Got the radio here. If you'd like a video of that working, just let me know. I'll be glad to get that for you. Can't show it on YouTube due to copyright purposes, but I will show you if you'd like to in a video. So we're going to take this Camaro for a test drive and see how it does. Beautiful day here in Kentucky. Perfect day to be driving classic cars. And we're going to take this one out and see how it does. All right, here we go. drives great. Man, what a good driving car this is. Shifts through all the gears the right way. Just an excellent running driving car. It's got brand new wheels and tires on it. No rattles or shakes in the car. It just does really good. We're going to turn around and head back here. And like we do every time, I'm going to have them get on it just a little bit, and we'll see what this car's made of. Car's got excellent power, shifts through all the gears the right way. Man, what a great driving car this is. We are almost back here. Don't forget to like and subscribe on our page. Helps us out a ton. You can see more cool muscle cars and trucks just like this one. If you have any questions on these cars, you can give me a call at 859-621-5572. Go on our website at CentralKentuckyClassicCars.com. We do offer shipping and financing is available on any vehicle that we have for sale. But we're going to show you what this car looks like underneath, and here's the underneath.